IoT plays a critical role. It is a new source of data, an entirely new source of data in terms of the data that's coming from machines. And in that respect, IoT can be a key enabler for digital transformation as part of what we call digital value realization. And it's all linked back to the data. But increasingly, business leaders are looking to pivot their entire business models, leveraging that data towards higher value-added services and optimize existing processes and assets that are linked to the Internet of Things, or IoT. And based on our research, 33% of executives indicate that IoT will change the way their industry operates entirely. And a further 40% believe that it will be adopted across the industry at varying levels. And this is part of a broader initiative that in Germany is referred to as Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution. And it's all about connecting manufacturing processes, assets, and end products into a single network and leveraging the data from that network in a completely different fashion. For the CIO, the IoT implies that companies are dealing with orders of magnitude and larger volumes of data than ever. All IoT strategies are dependent on a sound data platform and architecture that runs across the broader organization. And that will effectively make or break the impact of any IoT initiative within an enterprise. CIOs really need to help understand what are the business opportunities linked to the new and emerging use cases that we are starting to see around IoT. If we look at BASF, a leading chemicals manufacturer here in Germany, we see them developing 6 lighthouse projects linked to IoT as part of their broader digital transformation initiative, from predictive planning, predictive maintenance, linking CRM, ERP, and back office type of functions, and also digital innovation ecosystem. And all of this is based on a use case journey that BASF is charting through its digital transformation initiatives. And the CIO really needs to be at the heart of those kind of use case journeys. The fact is that many IoT projects are business driven, but it is ultimately up to the CIO to architect a framework that connects that single data platform to whatever IoT initiative or use case the organization is looking to deploy, and also to help introduce the new business models to help enable that. So we also believe that the CIO will have to think about what we call IoT 2.0, which is moving beyond the sensors, beyond the infrastructure, beyond the security elements of IoT to the software platform, where you focus on data, the new insights that can be developed from the data that is being generated by those sensors. So IDC has developed a methodology to assess and evolve your digital transformation maturity as it relates to digital value realization, specifically linked to IoT. And the details can be found as a follow-up to this session. I encourage you to take a look.